Welcome back. Today we discuss the remaining branches of biology. Taxonomy. Taxonomy is the science of classification, categorizing organisms into hierarchical groups based on their characteristics and evolutionary relationships. For example, classifying different species of birds into orders and families based on their anatomical features and genetic relationships. Embryology. Embryology is the study of the development of embryos from fertilization to birth. It examines the processes of morphogenesis, differentiation, and organogenesis. An example includes studying how the human embryo forms and develops into a fetus. Sociobiology. Sociobiology explores the social behavior of organisms, focusing on evolutionary explanations for social interactions. For instance, studying how social insects like ants or bees cooperate in colonies for the survival of the group. Parasitology. Parasitology is the study of parasites, including their morphology, life cycles, ecology, and impact on host organisms. Examples include researching malaria parasites or studying parasitic worms' effects on human health. Environmental biology. Environmental biology focuses on understanding the interactions between organisms and their environment, including the impact of human activities on ecosystems. An example includes studying the effects of pollution on aquatic ecosystems or researching biodiversity conservation strategies. Phytopathology. It's the study of plant diseases, including their causes, mechanisms, interactions, and management. For example, studying how fungi affect crop yields in agriculture. Phycology. This branch focuses on the study of algae, ranging from microscopic forms to large seaweeds. Researchers in phycology investigate their diversity, ecology, physiology, and potential applications. An example includes studying the role of algae in aquatic ecosystems. Palynology. Palynology deals with the study of pollen grains and spores, both modern and fossilized. It helps in understanding past environments, evolutionary trends, and even forensic investigations. For instance, analyzing pollen in archaeological sites to reconstruct ancient landscapes. Molecular biology. It explores biological processes at the molecular level, focusing on the structure, function, and interactions of biomolecules like DNA and proteins. An example is the study of gene expression and regulation in cancer cells. 5. Medicine. This field applies biological principles to diagnose, treat, and prevent diseases in humans. Examples include researching new drugs for diabetes or performing surgeries to remove tumors. 6. Marine biology. Marine biologists study organisms and ecosystems in oceans and other saltwater environments. They might research coral reefs' biodiversity or the behavior of marine mammals like dolphins. 7. Ichthyology. It's the study of fishes, including their behavior, physiology, ecology, and conservation. Researchers might investigate the migration patterns of specific fish species. 8. Evolutionary biology. This branch examines the processes that lead to biodiversity and the origin of species over time. An example includes studying fossils to understand the evolution of mammals. 9. Entomology. Entomologists study insects, covering their anatomy, behavior, ecology, and classification. For example, investigating the role of insects in pollination or pest control in agriculture. 10. Conservation biology. It focuses on preserving biodiversity and protecting ecosystems. Researchers might study endangered species habitats or develop conservation strategies for vulnerable ecosystems. Bacteriology. Bacteriology deals with the study of bacteria, including their morphology, physiology, genetics, and ecology. For example, investigating antibiotic resistance in pathogenic bacteria. Developmental biology. It studies the processes by which organisms grow and develop, covering cellular differentiation, tissue formation, and morphogenesis. 19. Mycology. Mycology is the study of fungi, including their taxonomy, physiology, ecology, and applications. For example, researching fungal pathogens in agriculture or studying the role of fungi in ecosystems. 20. Cell biology. Cell biology focuses on the structure, function, and behavior of cells, including their organelles and interactions with the environment. 21. Bioinformatics. This interdisciplinary field combines biology, computer science, and mathematics to analyze and interpret biological data, such as DNA sequences or protein structures. 22. Cryobiology. Cryobiology investigates the effects of low temperatures on biological systems, including cryopreservation techniques for preserving cells and tissues. Morphology. Morphology deals with the study of the form and structure of organisms, including their anatomical features and variations. For example, analyzing the morphology of plant leaves for taxonomic classification. Thanks for your concentration. If you all learned something from my lectures, please like and share the video and subscribe this channel for more learning about science subjects. See you soon in the next lecture. Goodbye.